So to talk about your joint pain or knee pain, what is arthritis? What causes arthritis? The more we research, the more we find out the relationship with food to all the different forms of arthritis. Because our gut, yung tiyan natin, has a connection to the brain but also a connection directly to the joints. And this connection is called the gut-joint axis. This is found in rheumatoid but also in osteoarthritis. The gut-joint axis is being talked about. So what does that mean? Whatever we eat has a connection to the joints. Not just osteoarthritis, but also the inflammatory arthritis. The more we have bad bacteria in our tummy, kung hindi okay yung tiyan nyo, baka sasakit yung tuhod nyo. What worsens the gut and the joints together? Ito yung tinatawag na ultra-processed foods that destroy the normal bacteria. So, thank you, Sharon. It's actually not just about uric acid. A lot of people think it's uric acid, but what causes the high uric acid and high inflammation in different forms of arthritis, because there are many forms of arthritis, osteoarthritis, gouty or uric acid arthritis, rheumatoid, and inflammatory arthritis, all have been found to have a component related to the food that we eat. The sugars are very high inflammation. You need to know what ultra-processed food is. When you have unprocessed food, ito yung fruits, vegetables, meat na walang mga sauces, nuts, and of course, unpasteurized na milk. You have processed food naman. When you have processed food, these are foods that have been packaged, that have been already mixed with other ingredients. But all the ingredients in processed food can be found in your kitchen. Simple mga starches, though you can find in your kitchen. But when you have maltodextrins and mga chemicals that you no longer understand, pag tingin nyo sa likod ng delata, uy, ano to, may mga chemicals na dinadagdag, that becomes an ultra-processed food. There are fillers they put in the food. There are fillers they put even in certain medicines, in soft drinks, in fast foods that can create inflammation because gusto lang nila pampalasa, gusto nila pampataba, pampalaman ng food. So it makes the eating experience better for the consumer, but it destroys our body slowly. That's why you have to look at the back of everything and make sure you're not eating ultra-processed foods. Fat, sugar, salt, and the additives, the fillers that have many different chemical names, destroys the normal bacteria in your gut. It's called dysbiosis. And that, my friends, is in a nutshell what many doctors may not tell you. They may tell you it's uric acid, they may tell you it's gout, but the recent studies are showing all forms of arthritis have some relationship to food.